A very famous analyst has now revealed a huge Cardano breakout. There's one factor that will certainly bring the prices of the coin to a very desirable level. As one of the renowned analysts says so, let us dive deeper to see what makes him feel this way and what exactly are his expectations from Cardano in the coming times. Stay tuned to find out more about it. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next week, month, or year. Let's get to it. Note that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your own research. Famous analyst Michael Van de Poppe has been signaling a major pump in the prices of Cardano in the coming times. He points out through a tweet on 8th June 2021 that a lot of altcoins are doing fine in comparison to Bitcoin. He even adds on to say that they will perform better when the prices of Bitcoin bottom. According to him, they're just consolidating for the time being. The best part about the tweet is yet to come. He further adds on by saying that ETH and ADA are knocking on the doors of the yearly highs and are eager to break through. He says that as soon as they climb up, Bitcoin may bottom. As experienced analysts like him have been making such bullish comments about the coin, the chances are high for it to really cross the marks we expect them to be at. He believes that there is one signal that the coin may be waiting for before breaking out to the best prices. As soon as we hit these signals, which will be clearly evident, it will just be a matter of time till we see a major breakout in Cardano and Ethereum. He continues to call it Tezos. By this, he means that it will be finding support on critical moving averages, which in this case will be the 100 days and 200-day moving averages against Bitcoin as it prepares for the upcoming bull run. If things go in the best manner, it will mean that we'll be having a continuation of the bull cycle. The price actions, according to him, are just consolidating and are not approaching something to worry about greatly. This approach, therefore, indicates that there are high chances that we'll be able to break off the key resistance levels as soon as the price consolidates and breaks off to a higher point. We've been noticing some major bounces, which have led to the current positions on June 16, 2021. These bounces, which started all the way back in the month of May, have played a very serious role in helping the prices gain momentum over a period of time. The gradual increase has also ensured sustainability, which means that there are high chances for these prices to hover and be around here for a longer time. As this was the case for Cardano back then, Bitcoin has had a totally different story to tell. The prices have been breaking all critical support levels and going down continuously for Bitcoin in the past. Many predicted the drop to be the chance for Bitcoin to cool down and rise back up from that point. However, it seems to have not happened in the manner they expected it to be. Currently, the prices still have been hovering around in the lower parts of the chart. The drop started all the way from $59,421 to $39,973 as of June 16, 2021. While this is happening, analysts have been claiming that this could be a good point for the rise of altcoins. Many even claim that there may be a 100% rise in the prices of Cardano in the coming days. This hike in the prices will then lead to the formation of a new all-time high in the prices, which will benefit the coin in the long term. There are high chances for the new support level to be formed at this level, which will help in ensuring that the prices remain above the said levels. Another famous analyst, Carlio, has been claiming that ADA is actually gearing up for a massive rally. He also refers to the bull market high, which it had in 2018. Whether or not we'll see the same happening in 2021, though the chances are high, we'll have to wait till it happens. In fact, he believes that it's tough to even believe that the growth that ADA will have today will be anything less than doubling in prices. The breakout is expected to cross the desired all-time levels, which will be followed by a period of accumulation. Cardano has noticed a double peak on the same date, which in fact was the highest point it's reached in this month. The prices did touch almost the same value twice on June 3, 2021. The two values were $1.8405 and $1.407 respectively. We have a good resistance level at the $1.5 level. The prices have tested this mark multiple times, and the chances are that we may see this being tested once again before rising over it. Since this resistance has been proven to be strong enough, the chances are that once we break through the resistance, we may see stable growth leading to a positive, sustainable climb. The level even became the support multiple times after it broke out once in the recent times. As a matter of fact, with the current prices being just around the said mark, the chances are that we may hold this point as support multiple more times as the price starts increasing. This may be one of the major reasons why analysts have been bullish about Cardano. Having broken this key resistance at $1.50 sets out new opportunities for the coin to keep pushing. On the other hand, the chances of retracing back down to $1.47 also exist. As the correlation with Bitcoin increases, the chances of it dropping down to $1.47 also increases. Even if we hold support at this level, there are high chances that we might see a decent rebound. The recent upswing may retrace back to the support levels. In the short term, the case may see a drop in the prices around 7% may be expected. The recent pullback has not been a good sign for many investors, which led to a lot of fear in the market. Emotions have been playing a very significant role in the manner in which the prices have been moving across the charts. As the prices started moving down, the chances of Cardano breaking through the resistances and setting another all-time high minimized a lot according to the investors, which led to further fear and ultimately a drop in the prices. Cardano has also touched $2.3 in May this year, which so far has been a significant climb. However, in order to sustain it, the prices need to have a stable climb. The climb in this case was momentous in the sense that the prices rose from $1.083 all the way to $2.3 within around 10 days with no major support. The essential support at $1.5 was also not utilized as it took the support at $1.7. From that point onwards, the coin has been climbing till the $2.3 mark with no support whatsoever, which may be the reason for the unsustainable growth noticed in the charts and also the decline which shortly followed. The prices fell from $2.3 all the way to under the essential support at $1.48. A fall from the $2.3 mark was the first point where this support started breaking. Now the same seems to be resistance at the same level. The price very recently on June 14th rose by 12% after dipping below the crucial support level at $1.451. The biggest downswing was noticed on June 12th, ever since the same happened on June 3rd. However, this downswing saw a fast recovery as we noticed a higher high set up on June 13th, making things a bit better for Cardano. The sell-off on June 3rd went all the way up to 28%. However, the same as we mentioned earlier, slowly started to gain back from June 13th. Cardano is called the Ethereum killer, and the chances are high it will be able to see a higher value as soon as it establishes stable support at $1.50 without breaching the current levels time and again. There have been more than 408,000 addresses bought Cardano all the way from $1.51 to $1.71. They bought over 6.16 ADA tokens. After moving all the way to this level with such high purchases as they saw the potential, a fall from that level did bring them some losses. However, after the amount they'd spent, many were hesitant to sell them off. This is pure evidence of the fact that sudden surges in the prices are not what the need of Cardano is. It needs a stable increase in price, which will be more sustainable than momentous. We hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Cardano Land.